everyone, it is Andrea, and let's go into this week's new releases. All of this week's new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and y'all, I'm so excited, okay? First of all, we have the color of the week. The color of the week is a really pretty blue-toned pink color. This is compared to like the Scribbler color. It is very pretty, but I just noticed that we needed a blue-toned pink, so this is number 87, I do believe, and it comes in the normal sheets here, and you can either purchase these doodles a la carte or you can purchase the buy all bundle. This one is one I would definitely recommend picking up a couple extra of because it's a really pretty universal pink color. I think I'm working on the next sheet, and I think we're like a couple doodles away from releasing the 14th sheet, which is exciting. And then also the Scribblers, which come in the normal 6 options, and these are available a la carte. So stinking cute. This color is going to come in handy all year round with those pink spreads. Then we have the Scribblers for this week, which are eye rolling. So this is number 59, and they are just rolling their eyes. There is also like a torso up version of rolling eyes. This one's super cute because it's like the whole head, and we love that in the Scribblers. We have the foil bundle this week, which is a really unique foil color, so I'm very excited to have it, especially for fall and just kind of anytime. But it's like this really pretty brown color. It's like a warm tone. I don't know, actually. Just a really pretty brown. I was trying to think of like, it reminds me of like chocolate because it has that like chocolate like color. Maybe I'll call it chocolate. What do you think? It's pretty true to color, I think, on camera. But this is in confetti, so it'll literally match everything. You have 2 pages of this with your 6 full boxes and header overlays, your bougie boxes, your icons and scripts, and your bottom washi. Like, do you think chocolate? It's giving me not, like, it is brown, but it's giving me specifically chocolate vibes. Let me know, and definitely pick this up when it's available Wednesday through Sunday. It'll be on special pricing, of course. Then we have one reformat, which I'm really excited. This is old art, and it's just still so good. I've gotten a lot of requests to bring this back because it's the perfect anytime kit, and it's called Relax, which just come on. The boxes I did reformat. I have a bunch of reformats coming of like pretty old art, but I reformatted the boxes, and I just think it is so pretty, so fun. So it is just a very kind of like chilling at home, staying in bed, doing chill, relax activities, and we love that. Then you have like the board games here. This also could be kind of like D&D sort of ish. And then you have the board games are recolored from the board game mystery. I think it looks so stinking pretty. I'm definitely going to be using this kit. I don't know what foil I'd use with it. Maybe champagne lights would be really fun with it. Or like just even rose gold. Or even a green to bring out the green color. You have the cat box there, and then also the tall box with the scene. Obsessed. I think I want to use this maybe in, actually be cute in February and do some like heart underlays, like bring in like the SPC heart underlays in gold. I think that'd be really nice. I'm kind of debating that now. I think that'd be really cute to use it in February for Valentine's Day. Also comes in a mini kit, and then there is the label sampler, label 2, which is the darker brown, functional, ombre, doodles, as well as fashion options there as well. So that is Relax. The next art here is so pretty, another kind of anytime art, and this is Bookish. I love the colors, and it's so fun. I think for foil, I would use Hollow and Lavender Hollow together, or just like Lavender Hollow, Sparkly Hollow. I think it'd be so fun. I love these boxes. I love Jess has been doing more of these like people in the scene, and I've been obsessed with it. I love the books. I love like, what are these called? Is it Penguin hardcover? I don't remember. You know what I'm talking about. Then you have like a bunch of different like graphic novels, Kindle, the audio book. So stinking cute. Love these colors. Perfect for spring, but also very perfect for any time. The bookstore on the outside. I love this bottom washi. I think it is so fun. I have a foil bundle that's coming out in probably a couple months that would look fantastic with this kit. Like a foil bundle design, I think it'd be really fun with specific patterns in mind that would kind of give it a different look. But obsessed with this kit. I think it's so pretty. Definitely giving me like May vibes almost. Then as far as add-ons, you do have ombre. There is the functional, the doodle, the label, and then there is fashion 1. and then fashion 2. So fashion 2 has more just fashion, but fashion 1 has like extra boxes. There's just so many elements that I couldn't leave those ones hanging. I needed to add them in there. So lots of different options here for add-ons, and this is again Bookish. And last but definitely not least, when I saw this, I gasped, and I cannot wait to throw this into my Halloween lineup. This is a gothic romance, and I was like, I'm doomed. I'm doomed. It needs to be added. It needs to be added. This one is calling for black foil, sparkly black foil, and you'll see why in a minute. Very dark in the front. You have the Frankenstein and his bride. I love the heart with the frog, like the little beauty supplies, the books. It's just so, so, so pretty. And I'm very, very obsessed with it. I just think it is phenomenal. And I just want to use black foil with it because I did the lighter colors, which I think will really pop. And then using black foil with it is going to be perfect, perfect, perfect. I love these boxes here too. Like every box just turned out so stinking good. You have the faux black glitter throughout, which will really tie in to that black foil. And yeah, we have a lot of black foil options. I think one just came out last week, the week before, and it was like a chunky black foil. I think I might just like pull one of those copies out and put it with this because that is what I want to do. Imagine the black bows on there. It is going to be phenomenal. And the extra seam there, it's perfect for a quote box. And then you have the other fashion option on the tall box. So stinking pretty. Definitely going to be using this. It is just perfect, perfect, perfect. Also comes in a mini kit. And then there is, if you want to add on the doodle, the functional, the ombre label 2, which is black, as well as the fashion option, which has the alternate option of this box, and then some like feet boxes, which are super cute as well. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. We do not have any characters this week. I probably won't have any for the next like 2 weeks-ish. 2 or 3 weeks. And then we're going to be rolling again on those. But that is everything. I hope you like this week's new releases. I am so pumped. I'm going to be using all of these kits 100% for sure. Let me know which is your favorite out of all of them. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.